Joining us from Miami, former U.S. Attorney Kendalll Cofffi. Kendalll, it's been much too long since we discussed an AnnaNicol Smit case. Tell us, though, with everything that happened today, is it finally over? Are we going to be able to close the book on this legal battle, at least?
Well, in practical terms, I think so. From the moment Larry Burkhead was holding a positive DNA test report, he's been holding all the cards with respect to the custody of baby Danny Lynn. But the minute the plane lands in California with Burkhead and the baby, if Virgie Arthur wanted to protract the battle and say that I don't think a U.S. court in California should recognize the Bahamian custody determination, she could try it. Going to be a long shot, but with this case, litigation never seems to end.
It doesn't seem to end, nor does her fight seem to end. Why is Virgie Arthur fighting so hard for this baby? Is it all about the money?
Well, you want to think it's not. I mean, obviously, there's been a lot of speculation about all kinds of gold digging here. But what you want to assume is a grandmother, she wants to be involved in the life of her granddaughter. And that's what I think we ought to assume. But we all know that if you've got a natural father with no unfitness demonstrated, he's the one that's supposed to be calling the shots with respect to the child's custody. And I think that's how it's going to play out.
And there were even reports today that the judge actually called her appeal weak. So that sort of makes you sit back and take notice. There's been some talk about the fact that she really wanted Anna Nicol Smit to be buried back in the U.S., not in the Bahamas. Now, though, she actually wants her granddaughter to stay in the Bahamas rather than coming back to the U.S. It seems a little odd there.
And it sounds like just another disconnect. Anna Nicol Smit did not want to be buried in Texas. We know that. And I think it's pretty plain that even the Bahamian judges were saying this baby and her natural father are heading back to the United States. And that's where hopefully there will be some kind of decent life away from all the cameras. But who knows?